Hi, good morning and welcome to Deeside Limited. So here we are again. Today I am going to make a fire pit from a washing machine. My washing machine broke, so my son and I are pretty much going to take it apart and make a fire pit and have a barbecue later on this evening. So if you like that kind of thing, want to see how it's done, they're gaining popularity I believe, then give us a like. I will put all the tools in the description below, and hope you enjoy the video and get some use out of it and a bit of benefit. And if you want to go and do this yourself, then all you got to do is go to the scrap man and say, can I have a washing machine? Some of them actually take out the drum for you and they'll sell you the drum separately. But like I say, they're gaining popularity, so certainly the one I'm doing today, it's going to be very quick, not super elaborate or anything like that, but functional. And I may come up with other ideas at a later stage of a set of legs for it. Maybe weld up a set of nice sort of carbon steel legs. Although carbon and stainless aren't necessarily the best steels to put together for a fire bin. I don't think the refineries are going to come after me. So yeah, enjoy the video and catch you later. Well, we had a lovely evening. Myself and my son had made some burgers on the barbecue and sat around this great fire bin. And as you can see, we're both really chuffed. Really happy with it. Yeah, so, you know, why not go out and get yourself one? It's a great little idea. Great for burning the garden rubbish. So, if you haven't already, you know, throw us a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. I'm really enjoying doing these videos. I always say that, but I had a lovely comment yesterday on one from someone in America. I was kind of bowled over because there was such a long, sincere comment, and you know, it was saying, great video, really enjoyed it, keep up the great work. And I was like, wow, for somebody to take that time and write that, it just shows what a great community is out there. So yeah, thank you. I was really pleased. And I think that's what makes the difference. You know, that's what makes YouTube is that there are people out there who are willing to write a comment like that and support you. It's a lovely, positive thing. So yeah, thanks very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.